let's get started. So here I have a question. A particle moves along a straight line with the equation of motion s equals 1/3 t cubed minus 2t plus 3, where t is greater than or equal to 0. So the question A says, determine the particle's velocity at any time t. Alright, so to get started for this one, to find the velocity, we will take s prime, or the derivative of the particle's motion function. So s prime equals, so now what we're going to do is take this 3 and multiply it with the 1/3. So 1/3 times 3 will be just 1. Then we subtract 1 from the exponent of 3, so we will get 1 times t squared. Then now, there's an exponent 1 here from this t. We multiply it with the 2 to get minus 2, because there's a minus in front there. And we subtract 1 from the exponent, so that's t to the 0. T to the 0 is 1, so 1 times minus 2 is still minus 2. And then this is our constant term, which is just 0. So now we can simplify this and not write the 1 there, and we'll have t squared minus 2. So there you have it. S prime is equal to t squared minus 2. Hey guys, it's Chris here from Tutor Scholar. Did you know Tutor Scholar provides online one-on-one tutoring? Click our link in the bio at tutorscholar.ca, or check out our Instagram or our TikTok at Tutor Scholar, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.